Hey guys, welcome back to BlueWhaleCrypto. Today in this video we will talk about Bitcoin. We will go through with the quick market analysis, and as well as I will provide you further updates about the market, how the market can be reacting in upcoming days. What are the things that we need to make sure in order to stay profitable? As usual, I'm going to let you know about that as well. Make sure to watch the video till the end to get a free signal. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do make sure to subscribe it, press the like button, show your love in the comment section, and do make sure to join my Telegram group, because that's the first place where I share all my signals for free with you guys. And if you haven't also watched this video, that is how I turned $290 into $1,750, you must need to watch it, and you can also do it as I do. So let's get into it. The first thing that we will talk about is going to be the Bitcoin. Okay, so what is the Bitcoin is doing right here? So it was still it's a BF flag. Okay, we are same in the range. This was the stick of the flag, and this is the flag. So we are still inside this range unless we don't break above this level or break below this level. We're not going to give us a right direction of the market. We need a close above this level, or we need a break below this level for the right direction of the market. Okay, so as of now I'm pretty much bearish with the market. Why? I'm going to let you know about that in the later part of the video. As well as you can see that every single time the Bitcoin is coming to this range, it's getting a rejection. 1 2 3 4, and this was probably the level I was looking for. I had my limit orders being set up in this range for a quick short position in this range, but there was not a range high this time. You can see that every single time it went, it used to go above the previous high. So this was the high, then it was above this level, then it was above that level, same was here, but it was not able to reach this, and this time this trend line acted as a resistance. So what we can consider is $22,500 is a good support area for a Bitcoin. Okay, if this range has been broken, the next area that we will look for a Bitcoin, if you're looking for a scalp long, then this will be a great area to look for a long. That could be okay, so this would be a great area to look for a long position inside the Bitcoin. But what if this area is sustaining as a support? Okay, then we can look for a long position inside the Bitcoin. Okay, CPI data might probably be coming today. The further updates about the CPI data, I will be giving out the time and date. I probably think it's today, and it could be at 5:30 p.m. by Indian time, IST time. So we need to make sure in this time zone, in this period, there will be a high volatility inside the market, so we need to stay out of the trades. Secondary, I provided this signal to my premium family. I also shared you this signal for the long position, so you remember that we have taken a long position right here inside the Ethereum, and that has given us immense amount of profit. That has given us 44% profit. Okay, so it is a 44% profit, and that is a very good amount of profit. Okay, and now the Ethereum is trying to break down. Okay, it went up, many people would be looking for a long position inside the Ethereum in this range. Okay, I was not trying to look for a long, because let me show you why I was not looking for a long. So it's a simple concept. Once there is a support, that is a major support. Once that major support has been broken, it's hard to tell that it's going to be it would be able to reclaim it. The Ethereum would be able to reclaim this region very easily. Okay, so let me show you that. You can easily see that. Okay, let's just remove this. All right, so you can see that it's clear that These were the areas in which we were getting a good support for the Ethereum. You can see that multiple times. It's on a daily basis. So if you see that we came over here, we reclaimed the zone, and it went for a great high. Then it came for a retest. This area again acted as a good support. Again it gave us a good high. Again this area acted as a support, and again we got a high. Again we got a support, and then it went for a great bull trend. Then after which we broke this area, which was not good, and it eventually gave us a 7 to 8 days downtrend, red candles continuously. So there was not any retest to this range. Now I believe it's a huge retest. It's just a huge retest. Even though there is a Ethereum merge, though I don't believe it would be able to reclaim this zone. If we are able to reclaim it, surely we will be looking for a long position. But as of now, what I believe is it just had made a retest to this range, so it could be swing short position that I will be holding for the upcoming many days. It can go up like this, and then we can go all the way down. Okay, all the way down. By that, if I'm saying that, so my targets probably could be, you can take it, these could be your targets. So why I'm taking this, you can see simply. Okay, let me show you if you're not able to understand it. This is the range why I'm looking for a good. The supports will act as a support for the Ethereum. So these are the three major levels you can see right here: 1596, 1470, 1356. This could be the levels where we can find a good support for the Ethereum in the swing trade. Okay, so these could be the levels for you where you can book your profits. Okay, even though if you are in a good amount of profit, you may need to make sure that this is also a good range to book your profits. I already had booked 190% this morning with the Ethereum. That is pretty good. So here's another thing. BNB, I provided you this swing trade when the whole market was bearish. I provided you a swing trade with the full confidence. Why is that? It's just because you can see that I always believe in the technical analysis, and the tech told me that yes, we are gonna go high even though the market is bearish. So let me show you that why we took this range. So this was literally the area where we got multiple times rejection for the BNB, and once we got a once we got a breakout from this range, we are in a huge amount of profit. I probably got 1000% profit from this trade, and that is pretty good. You can see that. I also shared you the same signal. So 21% clear profit inside the spot. That is not bad, guys. Now what is the next move of the BNB? It has been going pretty high for the previous many days. So what we need is, right now we just need a break below this trend line that I have created, a new trend line. Okay, so this trend line, we need a break below this level. There is 1.5 hour left for a 4-hour closing. So if we get a closing below this level, what we are supposed to do is we will be looking for a short position inside the BNB, and you can now try to grab the most of the part in. If you are doing the futures, you can book the full amount. If you are in the spot, you can still use your stop loss in the profit zone, and you can do the same with the futures as well. Okay, so for the short position, I'll like to let you know this is going to be the range, and this will be your take profit targets. Okay, this will be your take profit targets. More, I will provide you the signal. If you want, I will give you the signals. You just need to let me know once this is a clear breakout. Show your love in the comment section. Let me know if you want the clear setup for the BNB short. Let me know in the comment section, and surely I will share this signal with you guys in my Telegram free Discord. Okay, so coming up with the next, there are a few things that we need to consider for the bullish scenario and the bearish scenario inside the market. So this is a very clear indication. This is the very clear setup which will indicate us that the what could be the next move of the market. for the crypto market and for the stock market and for the rest of the market. So what we are supposed to expect over here. So this is SPX 500 index. This was the clear range that was acting as a support for the SPX 500 index. We got a support here. Then this was a consolidation. After a break below this level, we got a consolidation in this range. Then we go back and again we are consolidating over here. So what we can expect from the market, more I believe this is just a bearish retest after a huge downtrend. This is just a bearish retest, again a retest, and I believe we are going again down from this range. Okay, so you can see that this was acting as support, breakdown, bearish retest. Now this is a question mark. If what could be the bullish scenario? This is as you know that this is an index for the whole sum of crypto market, stock market. So this will show you there is a correlation with the Bitcoin and the SPX 500. So this will show you a clear indication where is the market going to head. Again we get a fake out from this range, and as we get a fake out, many people would be in the market trying to get bullish. The bullish, where we need to get bullish, I informed you this was the range when I was bullish, when I informed you in the previous video. If you will watch my previous video, and if you've been following me, I was informing you this is the range where I was trying to look for the long position inside the market, and that acted as very good for us. Okay, now this is not the time to get bullish. This is time to get this is the time where we need to book our profits and win if you are in the longs. Okay, so in order to get a bullish scenario, we need close in a daily time frame above this level. If we get it, then I will be pretty bullish and I will be looking for long positions inside the market. But moreover, I think you can see that it's clear breakout from the range high. It's a breakout, it's a breakdown. So moreover, I believe there is going to be more downtrend inside the market. So another thing that we need to consider is going to be DXY, US dollar currency index. And for this, in order to get bullish momentum inside the market, what we need is we need a break below this range. That is going to be 106. Okay, $106 is the range. If we get a break below this level, then surely this would be the range in which we can play longs inside the market. Okay, another thing that I will talk about is going to be, I'm sorry I'm taking a little bit extra, but it's going to be very informative for you. Bitcoin dominance is surging inside the falling wedge, which is not good for the crypto market. Once we get a break above this level, which is going to be a bullish momentum for the Bitcoin dominance, and the same way, if we get a bullish momentum inside the Bitcoin dominance, we can see a crash inside the alts. So stay away from the alts for upcoming days. Now the same thing I'll talk about is the Bitcoin. If we need to be bullish today, it needs to be a close above this range. Okay, so this was all about Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Bitcoin dominance, DXY, and SPX 500. If you get any information from this video, do make sure to like it, subscribe my channel, show your love in the comment section. Make sure to join my Telegram group, and that's the only thing that's gonna keep me motivated to let you have more informative videos.